It all starts with a dream. If you can think it and feel it and imagine it, it will come. And let me show you how. Here's a rundown of everything I've learned, studied, actualized, experienced in my life. This could take you anywhere from a month to incorporate to a couple of years. It's a lot. So get ready, get your notebooks, save this video, follow for more. Here we go. Number one, top priority, sleep. When you get a good night's sleep, you can accomplish so much more, okay? It's going to put you in a good mood, it's going to help you heal, and it's going to help you do all these other things that you want to do. Guard your sleep no matter what, and the most rigid thing you can do is pick a bedtime and stick to it day after day after day, even on the weekends. And after sleep, meditation. This is top priority. Sleep, meditation. Let me give you the gurus of meditation. It took me a long time to find them. So we have Wayne Dyer, Joe Dispenza, Abraham Hicks. Top of my list recently, Kimberly Sherry, right here. She wrote Access Your Ultimate Power. You can only find her on YouTube and Instagram. She has her own website, KimberlySherry.com. Go there. Get her free 20-minute meditation. Download it. This is going to heal you and deliver you. You need deliverance. You need cords pulled. You need hexes broken. You need spells broken. That is what is keeping you stuck. It's not you, it's all this other stuff that you've accumulated and you've taken in. Stop watching the news, stop watching drama. Separate yourself from the drama queens and kings of the world. All right? If you don't have a partner, do not date. Stop dating, stop having sex. If you're going to have sex by yourself, do not use pictures of other people. Okay, get outside and play. So important. You must be in nature. Get outside and play. You have to connect. Dental hygiene, I've already done a video on that. Taking care of your body, super important. For food, go to westonaprice.org. You're not eating enough essential fatty acids. You need fat. You need animal fats. You need plant fats, okay? Very specific ones. I've done videos on that. Get the fats into your body. It'll help you get to your natural weight state. It's going to fortify your brain and your eyes, and you're going to feel so good. Okay, dental hygiene. Keep your body natural. Get your body natural. Keep your body natural. Stop using caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, drugs. Stop, okay? Figure out how to do that. Wean yourself off. Get rid of them. They're interfering with your healing and your meditation and anything else that you're doing. Gaps, all right? Gut and psychology syndrome. If you can do a 5-day chicken bone broth with sea salt, clearing up your whole intestinal tract, it's going to reset your body. You're going to feel so good. Get the GAPS book. Heart center. You must get into your heart center, especially important for your meditations. The heart center is what's going to balance love into your decision making in your heart and into your genitals. Okay, there's a reason it's in the middle. You need to make decisions using our love energy. Okay, this is going to bring you peacefulness. It's going to bring love for you and love for all of humanity, all of the earth. Very important. Be as spontaneous as you can. Stop being rigid. The only rigid thing you should do is go to bed on time. Get that bedtime. Other than that, you need to be flexible so that you can tune into your angels leading you and guiding you and showing you for inspiring things. If you're so rigid and so structured, you're not going to tune into that. You're going to be like, I have to do this now. All right? So stop. Become more and more spontaneous. Practice that. If that's uncomfortable for you, keep practicing. Get your finances in order. If you're blowing your money on non-essential things and then whining about money, guess what? It's going to be trouble coming in. All right? You're blocking yourself. Get the finances going on and figure out what that is. Tony Robbins did a book called, I think, Money Master the Game or something. I've done videos on it. The long and short of it is invest in the S&P 500 first, and other mutual funds or stocks that you like, and then start investing in property. Goals, write them down. You have to write them down. Otherwise, you're not going to have a direction. Yeah, you may formulate things in your mind, but write them down. Kimberly Sherry, that gal I mentioned earlier, she has an entire package called the Dream Architect Vision Board, creating a vision board. I did this over the last week for the first time. It was incredible. There are different sectors from career to wealth, to family, to friendship, to lover, to money, to success, to reputation. What do you want to, when you croak, what do you want to leave behind as a legacy? What are people going to say? All right. Let's see here. Wow, I really went through all of this. Let's see if there's anything else I could think of. I think that covers the most important things. I thought it would take a full 10 minutes. I'm only at 4 minutes now on the timer. So, yeah, relaxation, sleep, meditation. Check out Kimberly Sherry. I'm telling you, this is a game changer for you. If you are into spiritual healing, emotional healing, wanting to really strive and be the best human you can be, we're all built the same. We've all had different traumas in this life or previous lives, and we need to work through these things. You're meant to love. You're meant to thrive. You're meant to have joy. You know, so if you're feeling sad, jealous, resentful, angry, depressed, fearful, you weren't meant to live that way. And so you have to calibrate yourself up into a better vibe so that you can thrive and that others around you will thrive as well. Now, if you're a parent with young children, it's going to be more difficult to do some of these things. But for example, put the kid in bed with you to sleep. That's where they want to be. They don't want to be away from you. You know, embrace that being a parent and really love it. All right, so get your sleep that way. Meditation, eating well. All of these things are so important. Dental hygiene, I did a video on that. I have videos from the last 4 years that are almost all of them helpful. Some are just for fun, but all helpful. The more playful you become and more relaxed you become and more spontaneous you become, the more you're going to enjoy this ride. All right? You got this. I love you. I'm available for one-on-ones if you want to. We can talk on the phone if you're in the U.S., Canada, or Mexico. You have to speak English. I know a little French, but no Spanish. Monique Prince. I'm a life coach, retired therapist, here to just bring joy and light and love to the world. All right? Stop watching the news. There we go. There's a good one. Stop watching the news. All right. I love you. You got this.